गुड मॉर्निंग वन एंड ऑल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि एक इंग्लिश कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को कैसे इजीली सॉल्व किया जाए। तो आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल बीएम क्लासेस में। तो चलिए सबसे पहले हम लोग इस पैसेज को पढ़ते हैं। ए वेल ड्रेस्ड यंग मैन entered a big textile shop one evening. He was able to draw the attention of the salesman, who thought him rich and likely to make heavy purchases. He was shown the superior varieties of suit lengths and sarees. But after casually examining them, he kept moving to the next section, where ready-made goods were being sold, and further on to the hosiery section. By them, the salesman had begun to doubt his intentions and drew the attention of the manager. The manager asked him what exactly he wanted, and he replied that he wanted courteous treatment. He explained that he had come to the same shop in casual dress that morning and drawn little attention. His pride was hurt and he wanted to assert himself. He had come in good dress only to get decent treatment, not forgetting any textiles. He left without making any purchase. तो दोस्तों ये था पैसेज। अब हम लोग देखते हैं क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन रिलेटेड टू दिस पैसेज। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द यंग मैन वाज वेल ड्रेस्ड बिकॉज। ऑप्शन ए है इट वाज हिज हैबिट टू ड्रेस वेल। ऑप्शन बी इट वाज हिज वेडिंग डे। ऑप्शन सी he wanted to meet the manager of the shop. ऑप्शन डी he wanted to impress the salesman. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी he wanted to impress the salesman. Now come to next question. Second question है, the salesmen in the shop are described as people who pay attention to. ऑप्शन ए है only young men and women. ऑप्शन बी है pretty women. ऑप्शन सी only rich customers. ऑप्शन डी regular customers. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी only rich customers, because he explained that he had come to the same shop in casual dress and he drawn little attention. That's why the salesmen in the shop are described as people who pay attention to only rich customers. Now come to next question. The young man moved away to the hosiery section because he, option A, was not interested to purchasing anything now. Option B, did not like the ready-made clothes. ऑप्शन सी wanted better clothes. ऑप्शन डी was restless. सो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए was not interested to in purchasing anything now. Now come to next question. The manager asked the young man what he wanted because option A, he would give him exactly what he was looking for. Option B, the salesman had drawn his attention to the indifferent attitude of the young man. Option C, he thought he could do more business with him that way. Option D, he thought the visitor was dissatisfied. So, इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, the salesman had drawn his attention to the indifferent attitude of the young man. Now, come to next question. क्वेश्चन है, the young man left without making purchases because he, option A, did not have money. Option B, could not find any item of his choice. Option C, had come only to make a point about the indifferent attitude of the salesman towards casually dressed customers. And option D, decided to come to make the purchases later on. So, the right answer of this question is option C, had come only to make a point about the indifferent attitude of the salesman towards casually dressed customers. So, friends, I think you have well understood the passage. So, if you have any questions or doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching.